Hello, I'm Stephen Spewak, estate planning attorney with Estate Plan Strategies LLC in St. Louis, Missouri. Today I'm going to talk to you about estate planning for your retirement. You should begin planning for your retirement when you're young, but as all of us know, that's easier said than done, and people don't begin doing the planning until retirement is in mind. Even if you did an estate plan when you were younger, you need to revisit it because it's very unlikely that that plan was done with your retirement goals in sight. For example, you may have children who are growing now and a much different way in which you want to leave your assets to them. You may have done your planning prior to the HIPAA laws coming into effect, and important language may be missing from your documents that your family would need to help you in the event of a medical emergency. And at this stage of the game, disability planning is critical, but it's likely that your old documents were done without the subject of disability really being in mind. Additionally, you may want to name a child or children as the executors of your estate, or name them under powers of attorneys that you create. And even if your children aren't the right people, or you don't have children, it's still important that you choose people to fill these important roles in the event that you become sick, incapacitated, or in the event of your death. Also, life changes may have affected your plan, and it's important that your planning be updated to reflect these changes. For example, you might still have an ex-spouse who's named as a beneficiary of a life insurance policy or a retirement plan that you have. So it's very important that these beneficiary designations be updated so that the people that you want to receive the assets after you're gone are the ones who in fact get them. There are also some additional points that need to be considered during your planning for retirement. Do you have a living will? Do you have a will or trust? Who will manage your finances if you're unable to? How much income will you need? Or how will you be provided for if you need long-term care? How will your spouse and your descendants be supported if you're no longer here to take care of them? Do you have business interests that need to be planned for? And are there any parties out there who might have a claim against your estate for assets after your death? These are just a few of the questions that a good estate planning attorney will ask you, but provide a great solid starting point in order to setting your goals for your retirement. If you need help or you're ready to do a solid estate plan now, please give our St. Louis law office a call at 314-542-2210 to schedule a complimentary legacy planning session with the mention of this video. The choice of a lawyer is an important decision and should not be based solely upon advertisements.